Hi, Mark. Do you have a minute?
Sure. Is everything okay?
Yes, but I wanted to talk about the noise from your apartment.
Oh, I see. Is it too loud?
A little. I work from home, and yesterday it was difficult to concentrate.
I'm sorry about that. I'm doing some repairs in the kitchen.
I understand. How long will the repairs take?
Probably 3 or 4 more days.
Okay. What time do you usually start?
Around 8 in the morning.
Do you mind if you start a little later?
What time would be better for you?
Maybe around 9:30?
Yes, I think I can do that.
Thank you. I usually have an online meeting at 9.
No problem. I'll keep it down until your meeting is over.
I really appreciate that.
And please tell me if the noise becomes too much.
I will. I don't want to make things difficult for you either.
Thanks. I'm trying to finish everything as quickly as possible.
Are you doing all the work yourself?
Most of it, yes. My brother is helping me this weekend.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but hopefully the kitchen will look much better.
I'm sure it will. So 9:30 tomorrow?